Star Plus Energy, Rebelle with a Cause, Carbon Editions. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. Kokomo, Indiana will be the site for a second battery manufacturing facility in the United States as part of the Star Plus Energy joint venture with Samsung SDI. The joint venture company will invest more than $3.2 billion and create 1,400 new jobs in Kokomo and the surrounding areas. The total investment for both facilities will be more than $6.3 billion and create 2,800 new jobs. Production is set to begin in early 2027 with an annual capacity of 34 gigawatt hours. To shine light on International Day of the Girl, celebrated globally on October 11th, and this year's Rebelle Rally, the Jeep brand has launched a short film, Rebelle with a Cause. The video highlights some of the amazing women participating this year as they train for the rally, led by two-time Rebelle champion and Jeep Wrangler 4xe driver Nina Barlow, as she works to empower a new generation of women off-road drivers. The 8th annual Rebelle Rally runs October 12th through 21st, 2023, in the Nevada and Southern California desert, and covers 1,500 miles through harsh Southwest desert terrain, combining old-school navigation, off-road camaraderie, and advanced powertrains over 8 days. To follow their adventures, head to RebelleRally.com. And finally, Alfa Romeo has introduced new limited edition carbon models for the 2024 Giulia and Stelvio Quattrofolio. The models feature a unique appearance package that includes carbon fiber V Scudetto grille, mirror caps, gold calipers, and black badging, as well as sporty interior design touches such as exclusive red leather sport seats and carbon fiber interior trim. They are powered by a turbocharged 2.9-liter six-cylinder engine with best-in-class standard 505 horsepower, routed through an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard adaptive suspension. Alfa Romeo Quattrofolio Carbon Editions will begin arriving at Alfa Romeo Studios this quarter. For more details, visit alfaromeousa.com. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.